Yep, today we're going to talk about the GIGABYTE Z270X DESIGNARE, and well, the looks is perfect. I mean, this is one of my favorite Z270 motherboards, and let's check out why. And let's start with the box. Now this box looks really amazing. I mean, the whole design looks, well, almost exactly as the motherboard. Perfect. And on the back we have the title, loads of specification. What does it have? The RGB fusion, where you have a dedicated pin for your LED strip, which you could later on control over the application. You have front USB 3.1 Gen 2 header. What else? Smart fan 5. Now it has 6 temperature sensors. You have 5 hybrid fan headers. And what else we got here? Well, it supports the socket 1151. I know you read that all over the place for the Z270 motherboards, but I have to put it out there. So it's the Z270 chipset from Intel. It has one PCI slot 3.0 times 16, one PCI slot 3.0 times 8, and one PCI slot 3.0 times 4. Now you have a display interface, HDMI, DVI-D. You have dual channel DDR4 slots, and that is also understandable because all Z270 and Z170 have those 4 slots. Now let's go and unbox it, because talking about this specification doesn't mean anything if you don't see it, right? So okay, first of all, as usual, you can see the motherboard in anti-static bag. And let's keep that for now. So you have your I/O cover, you have 2 SATA connectors and another 2 SATA connectors. And this is why I'm starting to love GIGABYTE even more, because they're really thinking about us builders, and this is actually the best thing they ever did. And I said it when I reviewed the H270 motherboard. This is a must-have. This is a header for those pins that you connect for your power supply, for your power button, reset button, LED, for your HDD and the reset and everything. This is a lifesaver. It's not that difficult, but it shortens your time for for like 5 minutes or so. And then we have some nice sticker if you want to put it on your case. I wouldn't. It's just my my opinion. The CD for, or is it DVD? I don't know. DVD for your drivers for your motherboard. Then you have multilingual installation guide. You have something for, I don't know, it's not in English, so I don't understand, sorry. And this is a nice user's manual. Even the user's manual looks nice. Well, not on the inside, but on the outside it looks really cool. And let's put this back. We don't need the box anymore. And let's talk about the motherboard. You're going to get a close-up, of course, as always, but I always like to open the product in front of you so you can see it and that kind of stuff. Now tell me again, isn't this a beautiful motherboard? I mean, the whole design, you don't even have to hide the PCB board, because this looks brilliant. And look at the back. magnificent. I really like the design, I like the colors, and there's nothing left to say about the design because it just screams perfect. Now you have this kind of extra bolted, covered with, I don't know what's that called, but they straighten up the PCI slots so the graphic card doesn't sag or it doesn't break the PCI slot if it's too heavy and that kind of stuff, and that's really cool. In my opinion, that's really cool. On here you have two USBs for charging. You have the PS2 old connectors for your mouses or keyboards. You have DVI-D, you have Type-C USB, and you have two USB 3.0. You have HDMI Ethernet cable connector, or sorry, Ethernet connector, two USB 2.0, optical connector, and 5 jacks for your microphone, headset, speakers, whatever. Here we have those 4 slots for the RAM. You have 24 pin over here for your power supply, for 8 pin here for your CPU. You also have, and it's right here, the connector for the M2 SSD. What's up with this motherboard? What am I going to do with it? Well, I'm going to do it's not a small build and it's definitely not cheap. You're going to see it, and it's going to be in one of my next time-lapse videos. So guys, don't forget to click the thumbs up button if you like the video. Don't forget to check the links below for this motherboard, more detailed specifications, where to buy it, where to get it, and stay tuned. Don't forget to sub. See ya.